Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing good. So finally we have tested 15,700. In fact, Nifty has closed below 15,700. We have been telling that 15,700 is a crucial area. We have to close above 15,700 to test 15,900. Market has closed below 15,700 and we think in the short term market can be bearish and it can slip towards 15,500. And yesterday I told market is going to trade in a very tight range and it is going to be volatile, and one guy is asking how market will trade in a very tight range, that too in expiry, how it will trade in 200 points. Then what has happened today? It has traded in only 200 points range. And one guy is asking, we know the market, we want strategies. How do you expect me to tell strategy? I've been telling upside is very limited. You could have gone and sold calls. I cannot tell the market, I cannot tell the strategies, and this is what people are trying to do. They don't want to know about the market, but they want to implement the strategies and take money out of that. That is not going to happen. I'll tell you, that is not going to happen unless until you know what is going to happen in the market. You cannot know the strategies. You are just trying luck in the market. So as I am telling you, market is upside is limited. I am telling you again, and what we have observed in the 3 hours chart is market has formed a triple top on the 15,900 areas. There's a 3 rejection in 15,900 areas. Already 3 rejection has happened, and on the downside 15,700 was a good support. Now it has closed below 15,700. You have to understand that there are no positive global cues or positive news in the market. Coronavirus vaccination is priced in, company earnings are priced in, so everything is priced in. There is no good news. There should be some good news for the price, for the markets to go up. Maybe we will see after the US jobs data comes out, maybe we will have a new trigger and we might go on the upside, and we don't know. We will have to wait and see, and we will see what happens tomorrow also. So markets are not going to go anywhere on the upside in the near future, but we are still bullish. You have to understand, till now market has raised 13%. In 2021 alone, market has raised around 13%. So that's a good bull run, and still we are in bull run only. Unless if the market trend is not reversed, still we are in the bull run only. But markets are consolidating due to non-availability of any positive news. That is what is happening. Markets are consolidating. Markets are in a consolidative phase. So always, not always, like you can maybe you can go and sell calls, or maybe you can do a call hedged position, and you can try to make money in these types of markets when the markets are consolidating. Option sellers who are neutral in the market would have made money. So it is good time for option sellers like us who are new market neutral. We take only neutral position. We don't take directional view, right? So these are the good times for market option sellers like us. In spite of so much volatility and so much high movements in the market, Nifty has India VIX has managed to India VIX has managed to close below 12%. So that is also one good thing, that the bulls are intact. So we are neutral. We are not bearish or we are not bullish. Markets are consolidating, highly volatile consolidation is happening in the market. So market may not move much on the upside or on the downside. So we are market neutral and we will take market neutral positions. So that's what we understand, and that's what the data shows in the chart. This is the 3 hours chart of Nifty 50, and you can observe here that there is a triple top formation. One is on this side, second and third. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So whenever there is a triple top formation, we can understand that price, we can understand the price action that around 15,900 levels there are no buyers. People are not willing to buy at 15,900. That's why the markets are keep on sliding. Now, since we have closed below 15,700, now market might go to 15,500 levels. We are not getting any support from global cues, and we are not having any positive local cues, so there is upside is very limited. We cannot see 15,700. That's what the chart is also saying. People are writing calls, selling calls on the upside. People are selling calls on the upside. Market and the upside is very much limited. That's what like we have observed from the charts. And this is a chart of Nifty 50, and of course we cannot validate, we cannot take any this week expiry. So this is 8th July expiry, and if you see, there is good amount of call rating at 15,800. People are even writing calls at 15,700. So all the way there are lots and lots of calls. There are more calls than put. So market is going to be bearish to neutral. It is not going to go on the upside or downside. It is going to consolidate, and with little negative base. So when it consolidates, there might be a little base to the downward trajectory, downside. That's what I am trying to say. It is going to see around 15,500 sooner or later. Maybe next week we can see. Unless until there is any good positive news, we are not going to go on the upside. Let's wait and see for the US jobs data. If something positive comes up, if there is any positive news from global market, then we can move on the upside. Bank Nifty as usual doesn't support any move. They have moved from 35,000 to 34,800. People are writing 34,800 strike calls in Bank Nifty, and around 35,000 everywhere calls are written, high calls are written. So this all tells us that upside is very much limited. We cannot do long position now. Of course, as a disclaimer, market can move in any direction. We cannot predict the market, so markets are markets. So that's what we have observed. So always trade with caution, and consult your financial advisor before doing any trading in options.